Could leafy green vegetables protect you from COVID-19 and other cold viruses? That in a report at Study Finds. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Leafy greens are not only good for your health, but they may be able to help end the coronavirus pandemic as well. Researchers from Johns Hopkins Children's Center have collected compelling evidence that a chemical found within broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables may offer a potent new way of fighting both COVID-19 and the common cold. So mom was right. Eat your broccoli. Scientists call the plant-derived chemical, or what's called a phytochemical, they call it sulforaphane. Prior work has already connected sulforaphane with cancer-preventing benefits. Now scientists say it can inhibit the replication of SARS-CoV-2. You know that bugger is the virus responsible for COVID-19. But it also inhibits other coronaviruses across both cell and mice samples, like those responsible for the common cold. To be clear, while these results are very promising, study authors caution against running to the grocery store and cleaning out your local produce section. Additional studies focusing specifically on the impact of sulforaphane on humans are necessary before scientists can tell if the chemical is totally safe and effective. Things like how much would you take, are higher doses needed, etc. Would it really work in humans? They have to work on all that. The natural compound in leafy greens, which turns into sulforaphane, is especially abundant within broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage. This compound was first discovered and identified as a chemopreventative by scientists at Johns Hopkins decades ago. Another note here, Johns Hopkins researchers suggest sulforaphane can help prevent cancer and infections by interfering with certain cellular processes as well. A key point, in a new study, every experiment used purified synthetic sulforaphane acquired from chemical suppliers. So, sounds like they weren't stuffing animals with kale and broccoli. In one experiment, they exposed cells to sulforaphane for 1 or 2 hours before infecting the cells with SARS-CoV-2 and the common cold virus. Scientists said low concentrations of sulforaphane lowered virus replication by 50% among 6 distinct strains of SARS-CoV-2, including the Delta and Omicron variants. Researchers discovered similar results among cells previously infected with the virus. In these cases, the protective effects of sulforaphane were apparent even in reference to already established virus infections. Researchers are looking at other ways to pair sulforaphane with other proven COVID treatments. The researchers also gave mice a sulforaphane pre-treatment, which produced a statistically significant drop in the rodent viral loads within their lungs and upper respiratory tracts. The research team is planning on conducting further sulforaphane studies with humans. They say the chemical may soon become a go-to option for pre-treating or treating COVID-19 cases and other viral infections. Check out all the detail in the link in the description below on this and many other studies at studyfinds.com.